I'm Joseph Bondi, a civil engineer and a Prince William and a member of the Old Boys Association. That was about 6 weeks ago, and we aim now for get this project done for mid-week centenary celebration next year. From that ended to now, we don't really work, we don't on the foundation stage. Basically, we don't on the foundation for the multipurpose court, a very standard court of international standards. Now we don't on the foundation works for the pavilions, where you go see the quality of reinforcement. I mentioned just now about we colleague engineers them. Melbourne Gaba is a structural engineer, a Prince William. We all coordinate with resources in terms of professionalism for do the calculation, for make sure say what they do, they up to international standard.
Foundation, of course, in engineer.
Yeah.
You don't see salon now way, of course, I building and the collapse. So just take me through why it's the total calculation so far, why it's how powerful and strong this particular foundation be. So that might mean that some go on a bond, so in picking one for campus of school, you go get up say by not get for collapse.
Well,
so take me through.
Yeah, the good thing is Prince of Wales don't produce great people in the form of engineers, even myself. We not just can put iron rod unlike other people. We do calculations based on the drawing, based on the designs. We calculate, we not just calculate, because at Prince of Wales we are professionals. We make sure say the quality of reinforcement what they use now of the right standard. When we talk about 16mm iron rod, we make sure say na 16mm we get. When we talk about 8mm, we make sure say na 8mm iron rod. So it is of top standards with quality of concrete. We not compromise them at all.
Right.
We are top-notch professionals. Now, what thing can normally happen, where people can do the foundation, then backfill. When them backfill, they not get the right equipment. After some time, the dirty they sit down under the concrete. They go begin hearing noise under the floor. You go begin for see crack. So we come with a machine, a compactor machine, where they make sure say we compact the dirty. We basically they press the dirty together so that you not go get any room for movement. With the compact them well, with the soaker we compact them before we can do the final concrete slab on top. So in essence, no deflection or settlement will get for take place. Apart from more on compact them, we get for do reinforcement, we put some more iron rod before we do a concrete. So we they make sure say we adhere. You mentioned the right word, patience. I mean, some people in the normal contractor then go just go hurry do.
Exactly, you know, you will take money go.
When they do that, we follow due diligence and the professional standards. We work, we compact the dirty in layers, we do reinforcement, also for put them, outside pillar there, we not just can put iron rod. We make sure say we calculate to get the right depth. And we not just get
depth,
the right
of course,
depth.
exactly. You know, we
not just get the right depth. We get what they call the base of the pillar. We normally then can call a mat.
The mat, yeah.
Yeah, you go see the mat, you see the base of them. So no movement of therefore take place. Mind you, this is a facility where they cater for up to 1,000 spectators. And imagine a sporting arena.
No, it's about jump up, kind of.
So in we calculation, we take consideration of all of that. So it's a very firm structure, a very sober structure. So we get the multi-purpose courts, we're international standards. 15 meters wide by 28 meters long of international standards. Then we get pavilions where they take up to 1,000 people. And not stop there, we even get provision for a changing room. So where the athletes then come, then get side for change, then get side for shower before they come at the courts and even after. Prince of Wales School, na a top grade school in this country. And this school don't produce great people in the judiciary, in business, in banking, and even the sciences. Primarily it was a science school. Like for me, I come here from Form 1, I'm in a class of 80s through to 88. After my A-levels, I go for a college. I'm a civil engineer. Don't practice for over 3 decades. We get George Hamilton, we get the Rodney Lewis, we get Batin Cole, we get Ebun Pratt, we get George Hamilton.
Get plenty.
People like us, we come together. So we not go toy with that. It's a reputational thing, and one for show the country, one for show the world what the Prince of Wales can do. For support, the Centenary Committee headed by our brother Justice Finn is the chairman. They have done so well with what's Cole and Mr. Sasaking. So we are the technical people. We decide for undertake the implementation of the project. Definitely, the money, we get the money's worth. And I want to take this opportunity for call on all Prince Williams. Make this be we own project. Make we all at the end of the day go be proud for say, now we all build this facility. That's go complete and then they go be the icing on the cake. I urge all Prince Williams for come on board. Whatever little they get, may they support the Centenary Celebrations Committee. Let we make sure say we achieve. Yeah, the next stage now, as you see, we be the compact here. When we don't compact, we clean, then we try for concrete the court. Then we build the pavilion. So by end of this year, you will see the pavilions and don't come up. Because mind you, we target a match. So we dey make massive progress. We dey around the clock from 7 to 7, we dey work even on weekends because we want to make them achievable. Very fussy about that. First and foremost, we try to manage the facility properly. If you look around, you will see fencing. So the site is being controlled. No intrusion, no distraction.
Not any kind person the kind side.
Secondly, we dey ensure say them protect their foot. Everybody wears something in foot. Make sure say we dey give them goggles when they do certain work for protect their eyes. So safety we very paramount about that. And apart from that, we always they teach them say cleaning is part of the job. If you look around the site, because we try to avoid what they call trip hazard. If both lay down here with pan side the pass, you buck your foot, you go for them. We don't want accidents. And so far we don't get any accidents report yet. And we make sure say we go keep to that. Well, we get with the committee where they manage that aspect there. Then say they report how then they collect.
Just spinning like a joke.
On the site, we they make sure say we make sure say when they buy the material, we utilize them. So by the time when they send money, they can see they know say that money they use for buy that material, then they see them physically on site. So we they try for make some progress reports. Every week we want for make we wanna come, wanna see something new. Oh yes, what we do in the first place, as I tell you, Prince of Wales is loaded with professionals. I'm a quantity surveyor as well. Before we start the project, we quantify. For every stage, we calculate how much cement we need, how much sand, how much iron rod. So now based on that, we procure, we get the procurement team where they make sure say they supply with the materials there.
That's good.
And when they send them, we as supervisors on site, we monitor and make sure say the specification where we require, now we they get. So that's it.
Okay, pa. So thank you very much. At least my family, of course, wherever in the world, that the project is gone so. Of course, we see, from the background here, you see actual, straight line, engineers, supposed to get straight line in the project.
That's the difference. We are engineers. We are not just builders. We are not just the contractors out there. We are Prince Williams. So we always want to
Prince of his business.
We want to make the difference. May they not say Prince of Wales. Now they own them projects. Now they self constructor. And we get all the equipment. This one they make sure so we get the right levels. We get the straight lines, and we make sure so we use them. You go see the vibrator for the concrete. You see the compactor. So we're very, very fussy about that.
Don't think can I say if we do very good job now, you don't even say government, partners, NGOs, and go even think about this team. We don't can so why the Bondi associate? We can go build and back na both school, right? All that school ever get land so far?
It's a great idea, and we are business people as well. I mean, we left the office for work for school, and be assured that way till they get here, it's going to be thorough, it's going to be of international standards, and we look forward to the opportunity. May government as in the top of local content. Let we be granted the opportunity for let we showcase as Sierra Leoneans what we can do. So we are ready, we are available for replicate some in other parts of the country. They do now for compact the dirty. Now this level the dirty be there. But when the machine don't compact them, you see the level where they now. We get for failure because it's a court to get for last for ages. We don't want any settlement or depression at the surface of the court. So that machine is work now for compact. The level will be there, the machine don't push and down. When they feel more dirty, then we compact them again.
Okay, so that will make nothing happen.
Nothing, no settlement, no deflection. So the courts go always there permanently flat. No depression, no settlement, no effort there.